back to my channel. As you can see, I am still sick. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm lacking mojo to make videos. Only because, well, my voice, and second of all, my area of peace is in a disaster mode. You guys might not call it disaster, right? Because I picked it up a little bit, but it's incomplete and I feel like I can't make videos because, well, there's a few things. This is going to be a vlog because I'm going to talk about a few things. So this is a vlog. First, the plants are doing great. They're all doing well. I'm happy about that. Second, we used to have a plastic shed here, which is temporarily moved over there for now while we build our wood shed. Don't know how long that's going to take because my husband's busy working and I'm not sure how long that's going to take. So just looking this way kind of just bumps me out. Second, yeah, I don't know if I should bring out some. I can't work in there because most of my plants are in there, and if I bring them out, I'm gonna be worried that whoever comes to work over here, my plants is gonna be in their way. And the people that came to do the pool, one of them stepped all over my plants, or maybe the guy that was messing with the shed. I don't know, because how do you step in here? How do you step in there? Somebody stepped on that once again and broke them. So I found that when I came back from Connecticut. So other news, the pool's done. Yay. The pool's done. Looks nice. The girls can't wait to get in it. We added some tiles on the steps and tiles here and in there. So that made it look nice. And yeah, the only thing is, I got a little bit frustrated because if you're gonna come and do a professional job, you have to do it complete. So as you guys can see, my husband just painted this floor, and let's pretend I didn't have paint on the ground. Let's pretend I had beautiful tile, right? People have this done. You have to have your pool resurfaced every 10 years, okay? So if I have beautiful tile and you come to resurface my pool, are you gonna damage my tile and say, well, I'm sorry, and that's it? No. I know that people get their pool resurfaced without having any issues with their floor. So unfortunately, these people did a great job with the pool, but they're not very good at picking up after themselves. They messed up the floor. I don't know if with pressure, supposedly they said that if he pressure cleans it, all this white stuff will come off, but I'm not sure. But I should not have to tell him, hey, what's going on with the floor? And then him offer to pressure clean it. When you're done with the job, you clean the floor, you leave it the way you found it, and then you say, okay, I'm done. You see what I'm saying? You shouldn't have, I should not have to tell you what to do. I shouldn't have to say, hey, you know, you have to pressure clean my floor, you messed it up. But my husband told him to forget about it, that he'll pressure clean it himself. So hopefully it comes off, because if it doesn't come off, my husband will have to repaint the whole floor. So that's a bummer. Paint's not cheap, especially not, you know, floor paint. And it took him quite a while to paint the floor. And then the dogs too were a hassle. I had to keep walking them constantly because they're used to coming out whenever they want. Because what my dogs do is they stand by the sliding door, and then I know to let them out. So they come out frequently. They like to come out and hang out and sunbathe and do different things. So they were not able to do that because the floor, you know, was being painted on. So that bothers me. After my husband, you know, did all the work, the floor's messed up again. Another thing is, so we decided we're going to go with fake grass because we've replaced this grass a few times. And the dogs pee, the acid damages the grass. So we're going to go ahead with fake grass and see how that works out for us. I'm pretty good, like picking up after the dogs. So if I pick up every day after the dogs, it's good. And I got to try to pick up also, if I see it's going to rain, I need to make sure to come out, pick it up, because if the rain falls on the poop, it becomes mush and it's difficult. I mean, you can hose it off and that's it, but still. Anyways, so a lot of people in a lot of places use the fake grass for their pets. So we're going to try that and see how that works out. Another thing we're going to be doing is where we're doing the back. As you guys can see, the trampoline's gone. The playground is gone. So we're going to fix this back. Once the shed is done, once that project's done, and this project's done, then we'll move on to this project. And one of the big projects has to do with moving my greenhouse. So once we do the floor and fix the ground and make it look nice and pretty, then the greenhouse is going to be over here, because my husband was telling me that he will like this area clear for whenever he has to put big things into the shed. My greenhouse won't be in the way. And I mean, I like the idea. I've been monitoring, making sure that I get enough sunlight over there. So I'm excited to have it over here. I've always liked this side. So yeah, I'm just excited to make it nice and pretty. Also, if we get to paint the fence, I'm gonna go ahead and have it painted all one color, because I had that, you know, because it was the playground for the kids, so it was fun. But I think we're gonna go ahead and paint it all white. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So as you can see, there's a lot going on. And that's why I guess I don't have any, because I feel like I can't do nothing, because I want to see other things getting done. So I don't have motivation to like do potting or anything like that. I'm so sorry about that. But I'll show you my plants that I am rooting. These are the plants. They're over here hiding from the harsh sunlight. They get sunlight, but not direct harsh sunlight. So these are temporary pots. They're just there to root. And that's what I'm doing. This one will probably stay there, but not the other one. Actually, that's not even planted. That's how that's how you can tell that I have no motivation to plant, because this is not even really planted. I need to plant it in a pot. But because the greenhouse is so packed, I don't know, I don't have energy to mess with there. So yeah, I just need to motivate myself, because this is not going to be a quick thing. These projects are not going to happen very quickly. So I need to motivate myself. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to motivate myself. We were getting lots of rain for quite a few days, but we did get a break, and the babies are doing just fine. They lost a few leaves, but that's it. The plant itself is doing good. So yeah, you know what I've been doing, because I have these little shish kebab sticks here, because I had put plastic over it to try to this is a few weeks ago though, to try to protect it from the water. I laid the plastic and then I put this here so that the plastic wouldn't be flat and there could be still airflow. Anyways, so I found out that this is pretty good to help you clean up some of the dead leaves. I'll show you right now. Okay, see, so there's a bunch of dead leaves right here. So you can just take these leaves are a little bit old. They've been here for a while. You can take your little shish kebab, because my fingers can't really reach in there. And you can just poke them. Make sure not to poke your plant. These are tougher because those been, see? They've been there for a while, but I'll just come over here and let's see if I can pick up a few. That's where am I? A few right there. So that's what I'll do with these sticks now that because I had them in there, and I was looking inside, checking on the plants. Here's a perfect example. My fingers do not fit through here, but there is some dead leaves in there. So you can just take this and poke it in there and pick up some of the leaves. See? And that's what I've been doing with that. Anyways, so that's my tip of the day. So that's what I've been doing, and now I will show you guys I have a little haul for you guys. Look, my greenhouse is packed in there. And I just took out a few and I still have a lot in there. Everything is shoved in there. Actually, I need to turn on the fan. I was talking to my friend and showing her the plants, so I had to turn off the fan. Oh my goodness, look. What a beauty. She's flowering more on one side than the other because the side was getting more sun, so I turned her around so that the other side could get sun. I told you, cactus, you know, need to get a decent amount of sunlight to produce the flowers. So I was at a yard sale this weekend, and I picked up some pots. Look, these are nice sized pots. Look at that. That's a nice one. This was $1, and so was this one $1. I couldn't pass it up. That's nice. And then this, such a pretty color. I decided to pick it up for $2. You gotta drill a hole in it. So yeah, that's nice. I need to look it up to make sure it's not an expensive pot, because it is from Paris. We'll see. And then these are from IKEA. The lady had them. It says IKEA in the back. And she was selling them for $2 each, but she gave me 4 of them for $6. So that was pretty good. So that was that. That's the only thing I bought at the yard sale for my plants, regarding my plants. I'll show you guys these here. These are my flapjacks. They're doing pretty good. Look how pretty they look. The only question I have is, I don't understand like what's happening to this right here. Is this water? If you guys know, are these water droplets that are settling in and that's happening? I don't understand why that happens. See? So I'm not sure what's going on there with that. But this one, look at this. So pretty. I love looking at this one. It's just such a pretty plant. Ooh, she got, look at that. She stabbed in there. Oh, poor thing. She was stabbed inside that one. Those are doing very well. They feel very strong, very sturdy. Look at how big this one's gotten. So, yeah, I have a really nice pot for this one. Once I get that area fixed, that's where I'm going to put this one in a really nice pot. This is over here because I need to redo it. Yeah, that's it on these. Look at that topsy-turvy inside my palm tree pot. It's doing so well. I like to throw a lot of plants in here because I know they do pretty well. Look at this little cactus is not doing well. It's been sitting there. It's been a while. I don't know if I'll root because it wasn't inside soil, so I'll fix it and see what happened. They're pretty good. But look over there. Look at those topsy-turvies. So nice and pretty. Let's check out the front. See how the front. I don't have much going on the front. I still have this doing very well, even after all the rain. But it does have a little bit of overhang. I'm sure it gets some rain, just not a lot. And my brother found this and offered it to me. I said, sure. I like the rustic look, so I might clean that out and pot something in the future and probably put it in the back where I want to say that I want to create like a little nice area. I don't know. I just want to try to make it pretty and see how well it does. And just, we'll see how it goes. Here's this one. This one is doing pretty good. I think this one's got some buds right here. The cactus Christmas, no, I think this is a Thanksgiving one, I'm not sure. It's got some buds right there. Doing well. Look how pretty that one is. Spiky though, very spiky. And look at this. Look at how long this is, guys. It is like draping down to the ground all the way. It's doing very well. It's happy. I may trim some of it. Maybe propagate it. We'll see. This one is also doing well. She's back outside. Doing pretty good. And this one too. You guys remember when I pot this? If I find the video of when I potted this, I'll link it down below so that you guys can compare and see how long ago I did it and how well it's doing. The owl looks beautiful and the pig looks good. Everything is doing well. Let's see. These were some cuttings because these are just like some dust on it. I don't know what's on here. Some type of dust got on here. I don't know what's it from. But anyways, this reminds me of succulents because this tree, I think it's called a dragon tree. You cut it and just shove it in dry soil and it will root for you. Yeah, it's really pretty. Oh, I just got this for Valentine's for my husband and another one inside. He picked this one out. Really pretty. And then look, here's my other Christmas cactus about to flower. Very nice. And this one's doing well too. This one I've had for a while. And look at how tall it is. This is doing well as well. And let's see. This one's doing good too. Look, flowered. So pretty. Let me see if I can turn this. There we go. Love the way it grows out like that. I love it. It's such a pretty plant, this one. I'm sorry for my voice, guys. I'm sick. This one is doing well too. This one I cut a while ago and it rooted very well. And it looks so happy. This is one of the ones that I rescued from my sister-in-law. Also doing well. This jade is doing good. This another type of agave is doing well as well. Look, now I own 3 different agaves. Actually, I own 1, 2, 3, 4. I might own 5 different agaves. Maybe I'll do a video on them. I don't know much about them. They're pretty strong plants. Yeah, I don't have any special technique. I treat them just like the succulents. Maybe less water. Yeah, less attention maybe. So those are doing well. My ponytail palm is doing well as well. Maybe I'll pot this in the future in a bigger pot because I've seen how big they get, you know, within their space that they have to grow. So maybe I want this one to get big. I'm not sure. Or maybe I'll get another one and have that one get big and leave this one alone. Not sure. And then, oh look at my dogtail cactus. For now, I think she's okay here. But once the sun gets stronger in the summertime, because this gets pretty strong sun, I probably won't be able to leave her there. Let me show you this side. See, she's getting some afternoon sun, but it seems not to affect her in a negative way. But I mean, it's not hot at all right now, so she's fine. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm sorry I haven't been around, just, you know, feeling sick and dealing with some stuff in the backyard. So yeah, look at what that plant, you guys, I don't know if you ever noticed the big old green plant that attached itself to my house. Look at what happened. I'm never letting that happen again because it messed up my paint. So I gotta touch that up and I gotta remove the chunks. I don't know how to do that. Well, I'll have to figure that out. But anyways, like I said, guys, I'll see you in another video. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.